Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things gaming. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate, mechanical keyboards versus membrane keyboards. Which one reigns supreme when it comes to gaming? Let's find out. First, let's talk about mechanical keyboards. These keyboards use individual mechanical switches for each key, providing a tactile and audible feedback. They are known for their durability, responsiveness, and customizable options. Gamers often prefer mechanical keyboards for their precise key presses and satisfying typing experience. Mechanical keyboards offer several advantages for gamers. Firstly, the tactile feedback helps with key recognition, reducing the chances of accidental key presses. Secondly, the high actuation point and low latency make them ideal for fast-paced gaming, giving you a competitive edge. Additionally, mechanical keyboards often come with customizable RGB lighting and programmable macros, allowing you to personalize your gaming experience. Now let's shift our focus to membrane keyboards. These keyboards use a rubber dome or membrane layer beneath the keys, providing a softer and quieter typing experience. They are generally more affordable and widely available. While membrane keyboards may not offer the same tactile feedback as mechanical keyboards, they have their own advantages. Firstly, they are generally quieter, making them suitable for gaming in shared spaces. Secondly, membrane keyboards are often more resistant to dust and liquid spills, which can be a lifesaver during intense gaming sessions. Lastly, their affordability makes them a popular choice for budget-conscious gamers. So, which gaming keyboard is better, mechanical or membrane? Well, it ultimately comes down to personal preference and budget. If you prioritize precision, responsiveness, and customization, a mechanical keyboard might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you value affordability, quietness, and durability, a membrane keyboard could be a solid choice. That wraps up our discussion on mechanical versus membrane keyboards for gaming. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Let us know.